Hey everyone, I hope you're good. And once again, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about on the little mindset because today I came up with a new kind of a solution. I would not say solution, but I think the society's problem or also our life's problem. Okay, so on that particular thing, this video is gonna be around by that particular problem. Okay, so without wasting any further second, now let's jump into the main content. What do you think? What is the most problem in Gen Z's versus not versus in overall and everybody's life? What is the most trending problem? I would say. Is it resource? Is it knowledge? Is it capital? Is it ideas? What is it? What is the problem in Gen Z's or overall in everybody's life? So if you ask to me this question to me, so I would clearly answer of this question is that not taking action whatever they're feeding in their this mind, this stupid mind. I would not say this is stupid, but this is very powerful if you know how to use it. So you will conquer the world. Obviously, you will conquer the world. But you don't know, you are feeding everything. You are feeding XYZ, whether the XYZ is good or not good. You don't care. You just care whatever you see. You just care whatever you feel. So I think you don't realize yet what is the powerful, which one is most powerful weapon in your body. That is a brain, and this brain is the most fucking powerful on the planet. Okay, most in the any nuclear bomb, because this has designed nuclear bomb. Okay, if you know what I'm talking about, so you know that. So bro, and how we can figure out, how we can identify, means overcome this problem if we are feeding the information. So why we can't take any action? Bro, this is very common. This is nowadays, it has become very common. If you ask to anybody this question, so out of 10 people, 7 to 8 people will agree that they are not taking action on whatever they are feeding in their mind, whether they are watching podcasts, they are reading book, they are hanging out with any friends, and if their friends are having or building any qualities, so the chances are very low that they will or he or she will be not doing the exact same thing which his or her friend is doing. Okay, the chances are very low. Okay, why? Because there is no particular solution or particular, it depends on the person to person. If you ask to me, so I would answer, for me, to be honest, I'm also watching so many movies, also so many prank videos also, but those are not good for my mental health. But yeah, for some time I entertain my, as I have to entertain myself, sorry. So for for entertaining myself, I have to watch funny kind of things. So I love watching movies, I love watching prank video also. Nowadays I love watching prank video. In the past I was not watching any single video on prank, but nowadays I love watching prank video. Okay, but yeah, this is the my entertainment kind of a thing. Okay, I used to do this thing to entertain myself. So this can, if I say this is wrong information for myself, so I would not say, because I can't stay productive or active for 24 hours. Some hours or some time should be for dedicated towards only entertainment, only for just having fun. Okay, I hope you're getting my point. But if you if you told me to watch something out of my entertainment, so I would say that is not wrong, that is not good for me. If you say to watch roast video or comedian video or stand-up comedian video, so I would say those contents are not good for me. Why? Because those are not fitting, means no, those are not fitting in my way in my life. Okay, so I would say those are not good content, and this can differ or changes person to person. So it is up to you how and how you can decide that which content is not good for you, which content is good for you. Okay, so if anything comes in my life which is not good for me, so I would just try to gather the wrong information about that thing. Suppose that I if I'm getting any wrong habit, so I would I would just go on YouTube and try to find the wrong kind of a side effect of that habit. If the habit is smoking, so I would find multiple wrong video or the misguided video on smoking. What is a severe, so not a severe, what is a chronic disease can happen after smoking 1 year, 2 years. So by that my subconscious mind can feed the bad kind of a emotion or bad kind of a things related to smoking. Okay, so whenever I get trigger of smoking, so I will also get trigger of that kind of a feeling which is not good for smoking. So by that thing I can overcome, or I cannot indulge with this kind of a habit of smoking. Okay, so this is how I would deal with that thing. Okay, I hope you're getting my point, I hope you're getting my solution also. So yeah, this can be helpful, this can be helpful, because so many people and so many author has written the same kind of a structure of getting rid of from bad habits and building new habits. One of the book I have read, Atomic Habit, and the book is very good, and I applied also that that concept of the cycle, which gives you the what is a method behind building a habit or breaking a habit. Okay, so if you read that book, so you will identify the loophole, the structure of building habit. I also applied of building that habit for building new habit. The habit was before going to bed in night, you have to brush your teeth. I did it for 60 days straight without skipping any single day. Okay, but after that I didn't continue because I didn't I stopped doing, I stopped following that habit. Okay, means that structure. So that's why I end up with the not following that habit before going to sleep. I should brush my teeth. So I was not following that thing because I was not following structure. So that's why it happened. Okay, but yeah, that structure is actually benefit, actually has significant value it within itself. Okay, so it can change a life. Just you have to just implement in your life. Okay, because it has helped me to do that habit for 60 days. Okay, it is very significant amount, significant number. So yeah, so this is the good thing, because I know it is not possible to take action on every information, whatever the information we are feeding, because in order to take information or in order to take action, we have, first of all, we have to put information in our mind. And once the information is loaded or full with multiple multiple times, so then we can take action. So in my opinion, this is a wrong mentality which you have right now, because you don't have to feed multiple resources, multiple information in order to get success, in order to take action on that particular habit, on that particular kind of a thing. Okay, this is the wrong habit, this is the wrong kind of a information which you're getting right now. Don't need to gather so many resources. If you just want to build your biceps, so you just need to watch one video very carefully and write it down, whatever you're watching in that video, and step by step implement in your real life. Just watch, and please make sure that you're watching from a personal trainer who has trained multiple people, or who has significant amount of subscriber and views on his channel, on his or her channel. Okay, whatever the, whosoever is the person. Okay, whether he or she, or okay, just make sure that his or her channel should be authentic, should be genuine. Okay, not from that person who has never done any kind of a physical activity, any kind of, who never won any kind of a Olympia, and who never make anybody's body. Okay, so I hope you're getting my point. Just identify whether the person is good or not, and once the person is good, stop, means blindly following his or her structure or his or her advice, because this is our mentality. If we do not get, we do not blindly follow anybody's structure, anybody's instruction. Okay, we used to have multiple instruction, multiple talk on that kind of a given advice. If your mom, if your personal trainer has given you advice, so you will ask to your friends, you will ask to anybody in anybody's stranger, not a stranger, but anybody is who is known in your locality, in your society, in your known. Okay, so you will ask some kind of advice whether should I do it that thing or not. My personal trainer is asking me to do this thing, so whether should I continue or not continue. So this is the I think biggest blunder which you're doing right now. If your trainer has built his body and his student's body, so I think he is genuine and he is right for you. Do not judge, or do not what do I how do I say that, have any wrong kind of a question about the personal trainer if the personal is good. Okay, I hope you're good. I hope you like it this video. If you like it, so today's video, so I'll see you in the next video.